Hello everyone, welcome back to our digital marketing series where we keep things real, simple and smart. I'm Ritika Patra from IIM Nagpur, currently interning at EStreet Digital Marketing and IT Solutions. And today we are going to dive into how does Google Ad actually work and set up our very own first Google Ad account step by step. So this is a part 2 of our Google Ads. In the first ad we talk about why do you really need Google Ad. So today we're going to talk about how does Google Ads really work. For that, I'm going to show you a small video.
All right, picture this. You own a cupcake shop. Someone nearby searches best cupcakes near me on Google. If you've set up a Google Ads campaign with the right keywords, your shop's ad could pop up right at the top of their screen before any organic results. That's the magic of Google Ads.
So from here you understand that this is how really the Google Ads work and this is why you need to use it. Now Google Ads run like an auction, but instead of bidding on ad, you're bidding for attention. When someone search for keywords like best yoga mats, Google Ads holds a fast lightning auction behind the scenes. Whoever has good mix of smart bids and relevant bids ads gets the top spot. It's not just about spending the most money, it's about showing the right ad to the right person at the right time. So now let's come to the main business, how to open your own Google Ad account. So first search Google Ads on Google and then click on to sign into your Google Ads. Now you will get opened with Google Ads website. There you can see start now. Click on that. And then you will come to this page. Okay, before that there will be an option to sign in through the email address. Use your company's email address so that it will be very easy for you to track down each and everything that you're doing. So after signing in, your page is gonna look like this, where it's gonna ask you to prepare your campaign, to name your campaign. It has campaign settings, group name, audience, expansions, content, ads, bids, everything. So first is this is everything is video. Right now it's a video based campaign, so you need to name your campaign. You can name it soap, you want to name it kids loving, you want to name it fancy shoes, whatever you want to type. Okay, now this is multi-format ads. So it's a skippable ad stream. It can come in feed-in ads or short ads. Maybe it can come in news, maybe it come during around the Google Ads searches. Now this is bid strategy, basically how you want to bid. Target in this with target CPV, cost per view, you set the average amount you're willing to pay for the view for this campaign. For the target CVP you set, we will optimize the bid to get as many views as possible. So basically this is the cost is gonna cost you for the number of views you're gonna get. So is that for that, and the bid strategy, that's the bid strategy basically. Now the budgets and date. In this you have two options, daily or campaign in total. So in campaign in total, you have starting duration and end duration, and you put amount of money you want to do in that total duration. For example, if you want for 2 weeks, okay, you can also put a end date for that 2 weeks thing. And if you write 1,000 rupees for the 2 weeks, the 1,000 rupees is gonna be utilized in such a way that you will get maximum number of views or clicks or audience or traffic in your website or in your ads. In that way it happens. Now there is also a daily option that, oh, I don't want to do the campaign tomorrow, I don't want to do it, I don't have budget for it, let's do it today and try to see how much traffic we are getting, how many views you are getting. So you can use daily for that also. Here you can write the amount of money you want to allocate for this type of strategy. Now this only works for YouTube right now, or in other channels also. For the video thing, it's only work for YouTube. Nothing about location. Location you can set anything. It can be all countries, India, or enter any another specific location. And for entering any another specific location, you need to understand where your product is gonna sell more, or if you have a shop Then you need to write the area, specific area where you want your audience to come to see, where you want to target your audience. So this is how location work. Okay, in language you can have anything. I have Marathi, you can write English, you can write Bengali, anything that you want. Okay, right now I've only clicked this much, but you have languages. Okay, the main advantage of having multiple languages, there are many people who doesn't understand English and they search in Hindi, English, Marathi, Odia, Assamese, Telugu, any other language in India. Or if you're talking also in out of India, Spanish, French, you can have these languages where if people search in Bengali, I need good cupcakes, recommend some area nearby. So your ad will go there as Bengali. If it's on YouTube, your ads will be shown as Bengali in language. Now you need, okay, to start the campaign you need to add a video of your campaign here, so then only it can be shown. You need to have content first. You need to have right relevant content for your product, for your shop, anything that you have. So make a relevant, maybe have a storytelling, have a content sandwich, anything, and add it here. Now next we have is demographics. Basically, what kind of audience you want, you need to target that. Now here it is, audience name. Like if you want to enter any name, anything you can do. Demographics, if you want to target male, female, age group, anything you can. Additional demographics, maybe parent, non-parent, household income, anything you can add. Now interesting details, maybe what kind of people you want to show, like who are interested, like if they are interested only in marketing, advertising, like if people who you want to target, like people who are interested in online marketing, who wants this kind of stuff. So basically it's all about finding your relevant audience. Now let's scroll down, and this is an important part of your campaign: finding a right keywords, topics, and placement. Keyword is very important. Keyword is the only thing that is going to show your advertisement to your targeted audience. If a person wants bicycle and it says I want bicycle, and your company provides bicycle but you don't write keywords as bicycle, your advertisement is not going to be shown to that person. Your advertisement will not be there on the top of the Google ads or YouTube videos. So for that you need to have a right specific keywords, or have keywords that is gonna target a larger audience, or whatever they wanna search, they will target you. So adding a keyword. So here you can write all the keywords that you feel is relevant, like soap, scent, clean, then color, luxury, etc. That is related to your product. And you can also enter a related website, like your website or another company's website, so that your ad can be shown in another's company, so that it can like create a competition maybe. Okay, now add topics. Now search for phrases or words that are specific or your customer might be interested, like soap, TV soap, a brand soap, or body soap. So I click body soap. Then like you need, this helps you create more specific or words, topics, so that your content or your product hits the targeted market or targeted audience. Now placements. So where you want to target: YouTube channel, YouTube video, website, apps, And there are more other categories like window phone apps, anywhere you can target. That's the beauty of Google Ads. You can target anywhere, anytime, anyone, specific, non specific. It's up to you. Now, this is an option, create your video ads. It's clearly written your campaign won't run without at least one ad. So, for starting an ad, you need to have a content of yourself, like I've said before, videos, posters, anything. Just search for it and put it here, or you can even post it on YouTube. This is basically for YouTube, that if you have anything posted on YouTube which is related to your product, or you have just have a get ready with me, or this is how I use it, this is how is it me, you can also use that as an advertisement. And if you can click like paste the URL of that YouTube video here, then it's gonna create an ad creation, ad one. Now this is a target CVP bidding. Here you're gonna bid how much money, or how much target, or how much money you wanna give for the view, and then create a campaign. Now this is what I was talking about, the bidding. You need to be very smart about how you're gonna bid, how much you're gonna bid, and where you're gonna bid. Because if you bid right, if you bid high, your ad will be there on the top of the Google ad for the specific keyword, for the specific word or placement, anything. So you need to be very smart about it. Now, in the next video, I'm gonna talk about how to be smart, how to bid right, how to give the right budget, and what budget is right. I mean, it's gonna be about how to be smart about video campaigning. With this, we'll wrap up the second episode on how this Google Ad works and how to create your very own first Google Ad account. If this video helped you, give it the big thumbs up and drop down your question in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and remember, digital marketing isn't just ad and analytics, it's storytelling with strategy. See you again in the next one.